this diversity and inclusion thing, has not always been well received. You heard in my intro something about the concept of diversity fatigue, and it's that idea when someone tells you you're going to go to a diversity and inclusion training, there's not always cheers. Sometimes there's a little bit of groan, and we call that diversity fatigue, and we think it's right. Because a lot of what has been diversity and inclusion training before now has fallen into one of two categories. It's either what we call the check the box training, which is we're going to do this because we have to do this, and let's please get through it as painlessly as possible. Anybody been to a check the box training? Yes, that is most of us. And then there's this other one that we like to call the blame and shame training. And that means we're going to call people together and have a really uncomfortable conversation about who's wrong and publicly castigate them, and everyone's going to feel awful. Has anybody ever been to a blame and shame training? Yes, a few of us. So we had this idea at Inclusion Design Group that we could reimagine diversity and inclusion, and that we would have hard, difficult, deep, uncomfortable conversations, and that they might even be fun.